Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I want to share with you this NAC supplement from Now Supplements. I began taking NAC almost about a year ago to help relieve the symptoms of PCOS. NAC can help to maintain cellular health. However, I take it because NAC has been seen to lower insulin and testosterone levels. Both of those things are very important to managing my PCOS symptoms, and since taking NAC, I have personally noticed a decrease in my symptoms. Now, the supplement is about medium sized and easy to swallow. I take it twice a day, so this bottle usually lasts me about 2 months. I purchased from Now Supplements because of their quality checks, which is important to me, and they also work to keep prices low, and that is important to me so that I can continue to keep purchasing the supplement. I've always had a great experience when purchasing through Amazon, so now you know, try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.